Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your subscription to Audible, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Audible app on your mobile device or navigate to the Audible website on your computer. Log in to your Audible account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate your account details. In the app, tap on the profile icon or the menu icon in the corner. On the website, find your name at the top of the page and hover over it. Select Account Details from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the Membership section. Look for the option that says Cancel Membership. Click on Cancel Membership to proceed. You will be presented with reasons for canceling. Select the reason that best fits your situation. Once you select a reason, click on Continue to Cancel or a similar option. Follow any additional prompts that appear on the screen. Review any final details regarding your cancellation. Confirm your cancellation by clicking on the appropriate button. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription cancellation. If needed, double-check your account to ensure the membership is no longer active. That's it. Your Audible subscription is now canceled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.